Good morning. We are heading to Châtellerault this morning. Well, it's kind of lunchtime now. I've been editing the last video all morning. So we're heading to Châtellerault for lunch. Then we're going to pop to another big supermarket, which apparently has got a really good gluten-free selection, and have a look and see what we can find there. And then
edited 6 videos.
Yeah, Lil's been working on her new animation channel. She's doing gacha animation, so I'll put a link to that in the description so you can go and see what she's been up to. So she's been chilling out doing her own videos.
And don't forget to subscribe and like. Not this one.
Any opportunity, you know what you're doing. You're all over this.
Yeah.
Did you get melons?
We went for bread.
I thought you went for melons. You went, let's go and see if the melon place is still open.
Cool.
Hey, you wind me up, sister. Show me your melons. Show me your melons.
They're a good pair.
Oh, you got a lovely pair of melons. Delicious.
Three, two, one.
Was it a thong?
It's going to be a baby.
Going on the roof for a minute.
3, 2, 1. You ready? 3, 2, 1. That was the highest. That was the highest. That was the highest. Are you okay?
We're going on an adventure. Please explain why we are going on an adventure.
We're going over there.
It's fun.
Because
9 o'clock at
Hiding.
night.
Somewhere in the distance over there is a big tower with red lights that you see at night, and we have no idea where it is, so we're going to find it.
Let's,
so somewhere kind of where the trees drop down and there's a gap, a lower gap in the skyline.
Yep.
It's right in there.
right to the right.
It
of
lights up. It's really tall. It lights up with red lights at night. But we don't know where it is, so we're going to go in the car now and see if we can find it. By the way, it is what, 9 p.m. here?
Yeah, about that.
And the sun's only just going down.
It is. Oh, 20 past 9.
9:20 and the sun's just going down. So
We have a map.
we've got a map,
We got
Binoculars.
a unicorn.
we've got a mission,
And
we've
we
got
got a
binoculars.
unicorn.
Let's go.
And we got snacks.
We got snacks, we got a car, we got snacks, we got maps, we got everything we need. Bye, Mum.
We got people.
We may be sometime. Grubby's on map duty. What are you doing, Grubby?
Sneezing on it.
Now it's all slimy.
Yeah.
What's the plan?
We're going towards Sowon Ludon and then seeing where we're going from there.
What's your map telling you?
Well,
Navigation officer?
We're being.
It's going to be replaced very soon.
I think we should find a high point and try and navigate from there, which is what we're doing.
Yeah, so we'll go to a hill
We're going closer.
and then try again.
We're going to get another bearing on it.
Another bear.
Bearing.
Bears!
Lions and tigers and bears, oh my!
There it is, it's over there. To the left. Just gone behind those, just above the.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
road now. Where is it? Everybody keep an eye on it.
Right there, we're really close.
We're not really close.
We are.
Compared to Mum's house, we're really
We are
close.
actually really close because that's getting bigger and bigger.
I thought it was
Bigger
going
and
to be
bigger. It's
way
not
further.
bigger.
There it is, it's just right in that field. It's in that field. It's in the field. We found it. It's 142 meters high.
Now wait a second.
Right, navigation team. Here it is, look. This is what we're seeing the red lights on. The navigators are now arguing over exactly where we are on the map. So we found it, but apparently we don't know where we are.
And you is a commune of that. So we didn't go all the way into
There's
it.
the D40. Okay, so
That's
turn
the
off
D. See, it says the D40 didn't exist. It's on the map.
Okay.
We turned before.
They are still arguing over where we are on the map. Look,
Which from Mom's.
they're still arguing over where we are on the map. Look at
You
this.
said 16 degrees. We're actually near
I wonder-
55.
Has anyone ever touched it?
So who was right, Caroline?
That would be me.
Graham, who was right?
Caroline.
Pete and I are just here for the entertainment. So our tower hunting It's over. That was really quick. We thought we were going to be out for days. We bought snacks and everything.
We got snacks?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We thought we'd be out for hours. Now what? Are there any more towers that need hunting? Or are we done? Should we go home and have wine? Let's go home and have wine.
Shall we go straight ahead and see how that takes us home?
Yeah, let's do that. We're going on a
If there's a
mini
straight
adventure
ahead.
back to Mum's house, and then wine will be drunk. Meanwhile, for your entertainment, here is Graham trying to fold a map.
Can't go straight ahead.
Oh.
That's wrong, 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 wrong. Don't even do that. What are you doing? That's...
He hasn't ripped it.
No, he's not.
No,
folding
it's
it
fine.
properly
Don't,
now.
no, stop. That's wrong. It's wrong. He's bending the map the wrong way.
Oh, not only did he read it wrong, he folded it wrong. Yeah, having a bad evening, Grandma.
There's a turning on the left here.
Whoa, look at those things.
Yeah.
Them things.
Look at the combine's coming. Get away, get away. We don't know where we're going.
They're giant dump trucks.
We're taking random roads.
What are they?
They're giant dump trucks.
Oh, hang on, stay there. Let's have a look at them. Someone's taking a giant dump to get a giant dump truck. Over that side, you know.
Deer in the road.
Oh my God, there's a deer.
Oh, straight ahead, that's a fox, isn't it?
It's a
It's a
deer.
deer. How big a fox is?
That's
Dump truck.
Zoom in on the deer.
Dump truck.
Combine.
Deer. Dump truck.
Combine.
Combine. Deer. Combine. Deer.
They're combines. Deer.
right.
Oh my.
Slow down.
Okay, now go.
So all you need to do, you folded this half and then we do that. So both of those bits need to end up on the outside.
And voila, you have a beautiful map.
Many years of folding paper patterns has taught me this skill.
Wait, what?
We're chateau hunting now.
Shut.
There we are. Le Château
Chapelle.
12th and 14th century chateau.
Wow.
Chapelle.
And chateau.
Wow.
Oh, this reminds me of the way.
I wonder if we get a
No,
better
because there's
view
no
round
data
the
on
end.
the maps. All these is just.
Is there a gateway anywhere?
No.
Oh, wow, I can see through.
Private drive at the end.
Kind of see little bits of it. Wonder if it's in the grounds of a newer house.
That's one big wall.
We're
Yeah,
coming-
they don't want you to look at it, do they?
You don't look at all their gold. It's their gold.
Right.
No way. Oh my God, it's sealed up tighter than a...
Monument
Nuns-
historic. Private historic monument.
They do
Private.
not want you to look at it, do they? They've grown that hedge up to keep it very concealed.
I reckon.
So Lil, what have you been doing this morning?
We've been making some smoothies.
And what's in your smoothies?
Strawberries, 3 banana pieces, and some milk.
And where did you get the strawberries from?
Over there.
Over there, you picked them from Nanny's garden.
Yes.
Oh, I love it. Is it delicious?
We haven't tried it yet.
Go for it.
Okay, let's
3, 2, 1.
That is gorgeous.
What's the verdict? Delicious?
That's the first time I've ever made a smoothie.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Lily, for teaching me how nice smoothies are.
And we're about to have lunch.
We're going to have lunch.